let's look at this problem. Find the relation between root 7 power root 6 and root 6 power root 7. So it's like, so let's say x is equal to root 7 power root 6, y is equal to root 6 power root 7. So the relation means generally x less than y. So the possibilities are x less than y, or x greater than y, or x equal to y. So anyway it's not equal, right? So these two values won't be equal, so no need to think about 3, either 1 or 2. So if I want to say this, so if I slightly see this, so this is like, see, root 7 power root 6, let's say we will consider like this, root 7, or root 7 power root 6 less than root 6 power root 7. So what we do is, we'll slightly rearrange this. So root 7 power 1 by root 7 greater than root 6 power 1 by root 6, or root 7 power 1 by root 7 less than root 6 power 1 by root 6. So we are seeing that, so this is some variable to the power 1 by the same variable, right? So here also is the same. So here we can construct a function. So let's say if I make a function, so here we are considering x and y variables, no? So let's say we'll consider t is equal to p power 1 by p power 1 by p, no, root p power 1 by root p will consider, root p power 1 by root p. So apply log, because if I want to see whether this function is increasing or decreasing, I have to do the differentiation. So apply log t, so log of root p power 1 by root p, so which is 1 by root p into log root p. So this is 1 by 2 root p into log p. So now we have t as a function of p. So if I differentiate this, so dy dp of log t is equal to dy dp of 1 by 2 root p into log p. So log p is nothing but log base e, log p to the base e. Here also log t to the base e. So we are applying log to the base e only here. So dy dx of log x is 1 by x. So 1 by t. Here this is not x. So dy dp of t is equal to, here it is uv. So if I apply uv, 1 by 2 root p into dy dp of log p to the base e plus log p to the base e dy dp of 1 by 2 root p. So this is dt by dp into 1 by t is equal to 1 by 2 root p, and this is 1 by p plus log p to the base e. So this 1 by 2 I can take out, and then d by dp of p power minus half. This we can solve. So 1 by 2 into p power 3 by 2 plus 1 by 2 and log p base e, and this is minus half into p power minus half minus 1, because dy dx of x power n is n into x power n minus 1. So this will be 1 by 2p power 3 by 2, so minus 1 by 4 log p to the base e by p power 3 by 2. So 1 by 2 p power 3 by 2 if I take out, 1 minus log p base e by 2. So if I make t dash is equal to 0, so log p base e by 2 is equal to 1. So, p is equal to log p to the base e is equal to 2. So, p is equal to e square. If p is greater than e square, we have to see when p is less than e square. So, if p is less than e square, so log p to the base e is less than 2. So, log p to the base e by 2 is less than 1. So, 0 less than 1 minus log p base e by 2. So, it means that value is greater than 0, right. So, t dash is greater than 0 if p is less than e square. If p is less than, greater than e square, p is greater than e square. So, log p to the base e is greater than 2. So, log p to base e by 2 is greater than 1. So, 1 minus log p to the base e by 2 is less than 0. So, here t dash is less than 0. So, t dash is less than 0 if p is greater than e square. So, e square is 2.713 whole square, right. So, 2.7 square is roughly 7.29. So, it is greater than 7. So, what we are seeing here is e square is lying in between 7 and 8. So, till e square it is an increasing function. The given function is an increasing function. After e square it is a decreasing function. So, the function will be increasing till here, after that it is decreasing. So, what we can say here is, so till e square, no. So, 6 and 7 are to the left of that, yes or no. So, 6 and 7 are to the left of that. So, the value at 7 is greater than the value at 6. So, root 7 power 1 by root 7 is greater than root 6 power 1 by root 6. If it is greater than 7, e square, then it is decreasing in nature. So, the first value will have higher y value. Here the second value will have higher y value. So, root 7 power 1 by root 7 is greater than root 6 power 1 by root 6. So, which in term if I rearrange it, root 7 power root 6 is greater than root 6 power root 7. So, which implies x is greater than y clearly.